At Rosendale.com you can start your own seed business. You can do that at the plant market platform. But first you need to upload the photos. So let's click on the plant photo database first. If you start your own business with seeds, you need to do that smart. So let's review all our uploaded detail photos. Let's take a look. Now scroll down and look at the images that have seeds. For example, look at this citrus tree here. It will take a lot of effort to harvest and process them and to store them. So instead, we will just make a seed source advertisement instead of a seed advertisement. Let's click on the detail photo, and what you need to do here is to remember the name and the date. The date when you made the photo, because you see here that they are ready for harvest. And now let's make an advertisement, and then you need to also to put in the date of harvest. Just give it a name. And this you can do only once to specify the name of the plant. If you click on save, now you can link the images that have the same plant species. And remember, September was the date of the photo, which is the harvest season. Now you can just describe whatever you want about the advertisement. And you can select for yourself or for the other the effort of producing the seeds. In the end you will see that in the price. And now you just type in the countries you want to send it to and click on save. Okay, here we go. This is the advertisement. And this photo should have been the mother tree, so we should change it. But let's do it another time. Okay, specify again the name of the plant. This is the seed advertisement. Just put the amount and the price of the seeds that you want to sell. And then click on save. Now give it a title. And the description. And you remember the date of the photo that was taken, but now also remember the date when you harvested those seeds. This date is somewhere in September, doesn't matter so much. Now you can link the seed source that we have just created. And also you can, if you make seed photos, you can link those photos. And if you made a seedling from the same source, then you can link them as well, it's optional. And this is the way you store the seeds. Stratification means you store them in the fridge for a certain amount of time. Now again specify the countries you want to send it to Europe. If you put the date at the end of advertisement, then your advertisement will turn red. Here we go, this is your advertisement. You see the seedling that we have linked and the seeds and also the source. The source you can find via the link. Now let's create a seedling advertisement. Again, give it a name and the name of the plant. This again you can do only once. If you did a mistake, you need to delete the advertisement and make a new one. And the price, just for one seedling. Just give a description, whatever you want. And now you can link the photo, the seedling photo, which is the third photo type. And the seed source. And now we don't want to send all over Europe, just the Netherlands, because the plant is bigger and it's not easy to ship them. Alright, here we go. This is the seedling advertisement. I don't like the seedling photo, so let's change it. Click on save. This I like more, but I'm sure you can do better. So let's check to see the seed source. This is the seed source that we have created in the beginning. And you can see that everything is working. And the design will be improved later in the time. But the concept is this. You can go on homepage and then plant market platform to go and see all the seed advertisements.